Is your Straight Talk service constantly cutting in and out? This video will help you diagnose and fix the problem, focusing on the two most common culprits: interference and SIM card issues. As of 2025, these account for the majority of service disruptions reported by Straight Talk users. Interference makes up 65% of the issues, while SIM card problems account for 25%. We will walk you through the steps needed to figure out and fix the issue at hand. These steps will help fix most, if not all, issues regarding your service constantly cutting in and out. First, let's tackle interference. Wireless signals can be disrupted by physical obstacles or electromagnetic interference from devices like microwaves or Wi-Fi routers. Try moving to an open area or using Wi-Fi calling. Next, check your SIM card. Power cycle your device and ensure the SIM is properly inserted and clean. A corroded, physically damaged, or improperly seated SIM card can cause intermittent service. If problems persist, consider a replacement SIM at a Walmart store. For advanced diagnostics, use apps like Network Cell Info Lite to monitor signal strength in decibels, aiming for above -100 dBm. Use the Straight Talk app or dial 228 for CDMA activation to check for outages. If you live in a rural area, interference may be due to trees. Install a signal booster if all other methods are exhausted.